The song is based on all the names of the movies or expressions that are famous because of them.
This was supposed to be the item number to replace all item numbers.
It is from the, you can say, blast from the past.
So okay, this is the hook of the song.
And I think the homage part is really wonderful because the idea is to tell the girl, I'm going to teach you how love is done by the masters. It starts with Raj Kapoor Saab, ends at Rishi Saab. And in between, we touch upon Dev Saab, Mr. Rajesh Khanna, and Shami Kapoor Saab.
We were also very conscious कि हम tribute दे रहे हैं, नकल नहीं उतार रहे.
I don't think I've done so much justice to the way they have done it, but I think that adds a little thing to it that, you know, it's like your version of wanting to be like these actors.
Look, an icon has that much he does. I mean, there's certain moves he does, or there's certain things. You can't make up anything new. You can't create something new for an icon. So you're stuck with that. But again, stuck with that kind of process, you still have to create something different.
5, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah.
Shamak has lent it a special flavor because hundreds of dancers are there, I think, if the numbers I'm saying is right, and they all do the same thing, including me for a change, in the same time. It looks really fantastic, I think. I think Shamak has outdone himself with the song. I think it's really wonderful for an actor like me to have access to a song like this.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून.
I prefer the earlier take.
I thought it would be nice to bring out a kind of a song which is Sufi in its feel, because the lyrics are something.
तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक, और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है.
एक डायरेक्टर है, वो इमेजिन तो करके बैठ गया है कि आपको अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड में या वाइफ में या हस्बैंड में या बॉयफ्रेंड में गॉड दिखता है. अब आप तो सोच के बैठ गए और हमें डिलीवर करना है.
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं.
Sir, one last time, one more, quickly one more. Sir, can I take you to write a little more, sir? Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
आप चेक कर, पकड़ो बच्चों, पकड़ो, जल्दी पकड़ो.
आदित्य चोपड़ा और एक सुरिंदर साहनी, ये लिटरली सूरी और आदि की उंगली पकड़ कर उनकी बिलीफ पे हमारा आधा रास्ता कटा, और आधे रास्ते के बाद हमारी इसमें खुद ब खुद बिलीफ आ गई.
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं. सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं.
कि दुनिया में और किसी को दिखे या नहीं दिखे, सूरी को तो तानी में रब दिखता है.
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं.
ताली ताली
very simply picturized, taking you to different places of worship with little children around, which brings in the whole thought of innocence.
While actually composing Tujhme Rab Dikhta, I had somehow cracked this Rab ne bana di jodi hai. Rab ne bana di jodi hai.
Even if Adi was not a friend and close to me, I think I'm protectively, emotionally involved with what happens to this film. Not commercially, but has the story come out the way he felt?
Love stories are never ordinary. They're extraordinary. It doesn't matter whose love story it is. What matters is what the love story is. And this is what Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi tells us.
Today film is complete, and I say God will be with him. I'm sure God will be very, very kind to him.
There is one person you are and one person that you want to be. And at the end of this film, the message is, it's always nicer to be who you are.